I wanted to make sure that I went over your assignment with you, since this is your first sort of major assignment. So now that we have finished Ladies Number One Detective Agency, you are going to write a chapter in the life of Ma Ramatswe and her detective agency. The basic requirements are that you will have 1,000 words minimum, which is about 4 double-spaced pages. You can go longer if needed to, but I will not accept any stories shorter than this, and include the word count on the document. You must use 6 of the 24 vocabulary words from this unit, and they must be used correctly. At least one character from the novel other than Ma Ramatswe must make an appearance, and at least one new character needs to be introduced and brought to life through the characterization of their appearance, what they say, what they do, what others say, and the narrator's thoughts, those 5 methods. If it wasn't obvious from the title of the assignment, there needs to be a crime, and Ma Ramatswe needs to solve it. Consider how she solved crimes in the book. What methods did she use to be successful? Dialogue must be used effectively and punctuated properly. There should be dialogue tags, though not every time. The short story should not be all dialogue either. It should be a mixture of dialogue and narration. Proper names and places, as well as I, I'm, and I'd, should always be capitalized. Stay in one verb tense, and your sentences need to end with proper punctuation, like a period or a question mark or an exclamation point. I'm seeing a lot of you turn things in with no punctuation whatsoever, so we need to start properly punctuating, please. Use details that make your chapter feel like an authentic part of the Ladies Number One Detective Agency. Do this by using specific names, common Setswana words and greetings, details specific to Botswana, and common habits and practices that you did for your research. You can work alone or with one other person, and this is worth 60 points. You will be graded 20 points on storytelling. The crime or mystery is explained clearly and a resolution is reached in a clever way, and it feels like an authentic addition to the novel. 10 points for your dialogue, properly punctuated, tagged, and effectively progressing the story. 10 points for your capitalization, punctuation, spelling, grammar, etc. 10 for the vocabulary that you use and highlight 6 of, and then 10 points for verbs using present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect verbs in the story. Make those sentences bold and label them in parentheses after. So, for example, by the time Ma Ramatswe realized he was guilty, the suspect had gotten away, which would be past perfect. And then there will be a submission on our Schoology page for you to turn it in to turnitin.com. I'm going to pop over to our Schoology page. Additionally, there is an example on Schoology for you to sort of see what it should look like, okay? So it looks like a regular narrative. In this case, it's a little bit longer. And this example is missing the word count. So that's, I'll make sure that we have that on there so that you can see, okay? If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Good luck.